Hi guys, if your Blaupunkt TV is freezing, not responding or showing any software glitches, a reset can fix it very quickly. So in this guide, you are going to learn the exact ways to reset it with or without a remote. So if your TV is still responding, you just have to simply press and hold the power button on your remote for about 5 seconds. So as you can see, this is the remote and you are going to see the power button over here on the top. So you just have to simply press and hold it for about 5 seconds. Then on your TV, you are going to see the restart option. So you need to select restart when the option appears. And this is going to refresh the system without deleting your apps or data. And it can also fix the minor lags or the app crashes. Now you can also press and hold the home button on your remote and then you can just simply go to the settings. Now inside the settings of your TV, you just have to locate the storage and the reset option. Now, when you are inside the storage and the reset option, you will find the last option of reset. So inside it, you will see the factory data reset option. So you just have to simply select this option, then follow further on-screen instructions in order to restart your TV. So your TV will go into the restart mode and return to its original setup screen, removing all the bugs, applications, and settings. So this can trigger a forced system reload on some of the models. So thanks for watching.